Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fine and healthy. Let's continue the chapter number 1. Let's start the last topic of this chapter, that is types of computers. Please take out page number 8. Types of computer. Some computers are big while others are small in size. So let's start the first computer, that is desktop computer. This is an image of desktop computer. Desktop computer is big in size, you can see in this picture, and you can place it on a desk. And these computers is also known as personal computer. In short, we can say PC. And it work on main power supply only. That means it cannot work on battery. Second is laptop computer. This is an image of laptop computer. Laptop is small in size as compared to desktop computer, and you can easily carry it from one place to another because small in size, so you can easily carry it. It is designed in such a way that it fit conveniently on your lap, and it can work on battery. But desktop computer, this one, it cannot work on battery, only work on main power supply. But laptop can work on battery as well as main power supply. Third type is smartphone. A mobile phone that provide computer facility. I again repeat, a mobile phone that provides computer facility in addition to basic phone facility. That means they will provide the phone facility, phone features also, and computer features also. We call it as a smartphone, and it has a built-in digital camera that can be used to click images. So these are the three types of computers: smartphone, laptop, and desktop computer. Desktop computer big in size and work on main power supply. Laptop computers small in size and easily carry it from one place to another, and it can work on battery as well as main power supply. Last is smartphone. Smartphone again small in size as compared to laptop and desktop computer, and it has a facility for phone also and computer also, and it has a built-in digital camera that is used to click images. Now please take out the page number 9, exercise A. Tick the correct answer. Machine make our work dash. Tick easy and also write down in fill up. Second, we can play dash on a computer. Write down games and tick games. Dash can work on battery. Tick laptop and also write down in fill up. Now the next is true false. Machines are man-made things. True. A computer can do many things. True. Manual machines run on electricity. False. Laptop is a manual machine. False, because laptop is an electronic machine. Desktop computer can fit on your lap. False. Laptop computer can fit on your lap. So order is true, true, false, false, false. Next page, fill in the blank. C exercise. A computer is a machine. Trees and flowers are natural things. Computer can tell you a story. A computer never makes mistakes. You can place desktop computer on a desk. Now exercise number D. Tick the machines used in our home. So bus, bicycle, LCD TV. So please tick bicycle and LCD TV. E exercise. Write M against the man-made things and N against the natural things in the boxes given below. So first is your desktop computer. Write down M. Second, tree. Write down N because it is a natural thing and this is a man-made thing. Next is mobile phone, that is man-made thing. Write down M. Last is flowers. Write down N because it is a natural thing. Now F exercise. Write the following numbered letter of the English alphabet, one has been done for you. So number third, C, A, B, C, third number. On 15 number O, 13 number M, 16 P, 21st U, 20th T, 5th E, 18 R. So word is computer. So write the word you have written above twice in the space given below. So write down computer and computer. G exercise application based question. Lily entered the computer lab for the first time and wondered what functions are performed by the computer. Help Lily to understand function of a computer. So please write down show movies. Second, can count. First is show movies. Second, can count. Life skill activity. Take the correct picture shown below. Your father wants to reach office quickly. He should go by car or walking. Tick car. Second, your mother wants to clean the home without getting tired. She should use broom or vacuum cleaner. Tick vacuum cleaner. Your brother is teaching in school computer lab. He should use desktop computer or typewriter. Tick desktop computer. Last is your fun activity. Join the dots. Take out your crayons and color the picture. So please join the dot like 1, 2 and join this dot with scale. 1, 2, then find out 3, then 4, this one 3. After 2 join 3, then 4 but with the help of scale. And afterward take out your crayons and color the picture. So students, this is all about your chapter number 1. Question answer of this chapter I will upload very soon. And please students, read this chapter, try to underline the difficult words and try to find out your doubts. Write down your doubts on a page and whenever you have a doubt session, please ask your doubt. But first asking your doubt, please read the chapter. Thank you.